Hey, it's Seth, and here's another one of my original poems. So much thanks. I'm drowning in a sea full of people. Oh Lord, when will I feel peaceful? Oh, all the stresses of my crazy days. Oh, they never seem to go away. Sit on my couch through the sleepless night. Can't figure out which direction's right. Millions of thoughts passing through my head. So many things that I should have said. Thanks for the way that you treated me. You showed me how a person shouldn't be. How dare you stand there and call me a fool? It's 'cause you I know the world can be cruel. For days I've been waiting. For days I've been waiting for you to say you're sorry, but you never do. You never come back to me to show me what I needed to see. Every time I see you, you put me through the same you always do. So help me, I think I'm falling for you. Save me, 'cause I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. How about you? You sit on my mind through the sleepless night. What makes you think you have the right? Invading all of my secret daydreams. I'm coming apart at all of my seams.